him. Go, go, get him, get him, get him. Go. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. The fam bam is out.
Hi guys.
We are actually heading to church. The sun is in my eyes because the sun is just up and it's directly in my face. Water. Yeah, water to drink. Heading to catch the bus. To go to church in town. There's one bus coming, but it's not the number we wanted. I can see it from here. So we're heading to church this morning. It's early morning. I'm not a morning person. The only reason why I like waking up early in the morning is if I have to work out. If I have to wake up for any other reason, not cool. Not cool at all. You like wake up early in the morning?
No, but you know when you used to wake up at 6 to go to work, when it's the weekend and you wake up at 8:30, you feel good. That's true, but like I said, if it's not for workout, even though sometimes when I wake up for workout I just want to go back in the bed, but anyway, it looks like a good day. It's cold, but it's not so cold, but it should be a good day of whatever we decide to do. Where are you going, my love? The beach is looking good. Yeah, but you can, oh, you're just chilling here until the beach is looking good. There's a lot of people out working out. There's people literally in shorts and t-shirts, but I'm cold, so I need to be in jacket. What are you saying? Dog poop. Yes, dog poop. Doggy nasty, or the owner is just as nasty as the dog. More nasty than
the owner is more nasty than the dog. Don't you guys hate when you're walking on the street and you see a fresh poop that the owners don't pick up after their dog? I just think it's very nasty. I've never seen something I hate so much than seeing dog poop and the owner just walk away and leave it. Disgusting much. TMI on the Sunday morning. Come, let's go. Go, come on. Yes. And this one. Yeah. And this one. Yeah. And the other one. 7, 4, 8.
We begin by singing Seek You First. Hi guys, so I won't say we're back. We just finished. That was cool. So it's after 12 now, so we all hungry. We decided to do a little stop at the pizza.
Somebody's excited about pizza. Tyler.
Yeah, so we just ordered the pizza
don't do that.
to eat.
You don't do that.
So we are waiting on our pizza to come now. Yeah, it's a wonderful day outside, very sunny.
I said don't do
so
that.
we just need some energy, and after we
Don't
enjoy
do
this time
that.
that we're in town actually, and we're gonna stay here. And
This little boy waiting on his pizza, getting miserable. You soon get your pizza. Pizza coming. No, Mama not kissing your fingers. You're being naughty. Mama not kissing the finger because you're being naughty. That's better?
just 13.
Alright. Let the eating begin. Tyler is ready. You can't wait, huh? You ready, Tyler? Put down the top. Whoa, yes, yes. What's in the other one? Let me see the other one. That's garlic bread, you guys. My absolute favorite. And then this one is Hawaiian. Yes, ready. Ready, Ty? You guys, I'm gonna have to talk to you like this because I realized I don't have my glasses, and the sun is in my eyes. We took a stroll to the opposite side of where we live, where we always going, so we decided to go somewhere else today, and we're at the port where there are all the ships and stuff. I don't remember where, if you guys remember, where we always go to this view on the hill where we can see all the beach, all the big yachts and boats and stuff like that. So that's exactly where we are. That's where we are. All the boats and yachts and everything behind us, and this is still where we live. It's just the opposite side of where we always be walking, so I decided to come around here today just to walk and see what it looks like, and that's the beauty of it. Better view from this side, from where we are. Let me just show you guys. I'm seeing everything from this side. This is where we always go up on this hill to see the view of down here, but now we are down here and seeing the view of everything. So I'm doing basically a circle so you guys can see exactly where I am. How beautiful it is. There you are, back to the stars. So pretty. You guys, I had to stop to show you this yacht that caught my attention. That caught my attention, shawty. Oh my gosh. I swear I feel like I'm on vacation when I see these things in my city. So pretty, man. Rich life. Get him! Go, get him! Go! Wait, stop, he's gone. No. Oh, I missed story time?
Yeah, you missed time.
Mama missed it?
Careful, Tyler.
Pull it.
Tiens, Tyler. Donne à papa et toi tu remets ça là-haut. Merci. First, loop and file. Merci à côté.
This, you guys, before babe, hold on. Before babe read Tyler this story, you guys see how I botched up this book? This was Tyler's first English book and he ate it when he was a baby.
You were about to say it was Tyler's first box meal. Tella used to eat box.
Yeah, man, used to eat everything, paper.
Yeah. Oui, et lui?
He's doing Paw Patrol hide and seek.
Good job.
Tella, can you tell the faves tomorrow? Yes, with your rub eyes. See you later. Tell us later.
Tomorrow.
Babu. Can you say tomorrow?
Leo.
Tell her, look. Babu. Say tomorrow. Look. Say tomorrow. Die. Tell her.
Good job.
Can you say bye to the faves?
Good job. Bravo.
Look, say bye to the faves. Say bye, faves. That was a rough one you guys just get. You guys, man. We're actually putting Tyler to bed right now, and we're just going to go ahead and end today's vlog because we have so much to do. We're still in our clothes from church and everything, and it's basically the end of the day. That's just goes to show the amount of things that we've been doing. So we're just going to go ahead and tell you guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. We appreciate every single one of you. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and we won't give you guys any expression today, but tomorrow we'll resume expression. So catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell us, say tomorrow. Bye guys.